Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to render a product manually using Procreate. Let's get right into the process on how I created this image from scratch. Step 1. Sketch on paper. I started off with collecting some reference images for a typical hot glue gun and a revolver. I then sketched out these standard objects to get a feel of the proportion and the form, and then later tweaked the sketch that I like the most. This step is pretty much the foundation for everything you are going to do hereafter, and therefore spend some time to think about the perspective, the way in which you want the final sketch to be, the orientation of the product and stuff like that. Step 2. Import and set up your reference. Now I take a good enough image and import it into Procreate. After setting up, I create a new layer on top of it and I reduce the opacity of the previous layer so that I can better sketch on it properly. Step 3. Sketch and refine. Now that I am done with the setup, I move on to sketching roughly with a 6B pencil and later refine with an inking brush. You can use any brush of your choice. Refine the sketch on a new layer and then hide all other layers underneath it. Step 4. Block out different paths. In this step, I block out different paths that I need to differentiate using different colors. I was not sure as to what color I was going to go with for the final image. Hence, I started off with some random colors. I do this with every part on a new layer so that I have complete flexibility and can tackle one part at a time. This process will take some time, but take care and neatly sketch the boundaries, as this will decide the sharpness of the sketch. Step 5. Add color, shadows and highlights. Once I finish blocking different parts with different colors on different layers, I go on to add actual colors on all the parts. Now I create different layers and clipping masks for each different part and start adding simple shadows and textures for each part. You need to decide upon the texture based on the product you are using. For this, I use the default texture available in Procreate, which is old skin, to give the skin-like texture for the hot glue gun. Make sure that you keep the light source consistent for each part. For this sketch, I decided upon the light source to be at this position, and hence I included the lights and shadows appropriately. I use black to add the shadows and I use white to add the highlights. The effect can be observed when you change the blending mode of the clipping mask. Now that's it. I am complete with my image. You can add some final touches by adding a bit of shadow on the background, and you can do whatever you feel like. It's pretty much up to you. Hope you like this short tutorial on how to render products manually on Procreate. Please like, share and subscribe, and be sure to check out the next video when I post it. Have a good day.